super fast. All right, let's go. Oh my God, that smells good. Okay, this is everything, Mom. All right, let's eat Colonel. Oh boy. Cartman, you ate the skin off of every piece of chicken. Well, I saved you all the chicken part. The skin's the best part. Well, I gotta go home, guys. I'm gonna sit on the toilet and read comic books. See you at the bus stop tomorrow.